In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use deep research in Gemini to find the perfect anniversary gift ideas that work great. Imagine this scenario. You want to find the ideal gift for your anniversary, something that will truly resonate with your partner and make the day special. Well, worry no more, because Gemini's deep research tool is here to help you out with just that. First, let's start by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Gemini into the search bar. Once you see the search results, click on the official Google Gemini website to access their platform. This is your gateway to a world of insights and creative ideas. Once you're on the Gemini website, look for the section labeled Deep Research. It might take a moment to locate it, but once you find the link, go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to delve into detailed and nuanced research, perfect for uncovering thoughtful gift options. Now that you're in the deep research section, it's time to craft a prompt. You'll want to tailor your query to be specific to your needs. For instance, you might type in, "I want to give my wife an anniversary gift. Give me 5 gift options to choose from." Explain why each gift is a good idea for her and how it will make her feel special. This provides Gemini with a comprehensive starting point, enabling it to generate personalized and meaningful suggestions. Once you've typed in your prompt, it's time to proceed. Click on the Submit button to send your query into the Gemini system. This action will signal the platform to analyze your inputs and begin processing a set of customized gift ideas. Now, here's where the magic begins. Click on Start Research. This function will engage Gemini to leverage its deep learning capabilities and extensive database to explore numerous sources, gathering information that's pertinent to your request. It's incredibly intuitive and can cover a wide array of suggestions you might not have even considered. As you wait for the results, enjoy the anticipation of what valuable insights you're about to receive. Once the research is complete, you'll have a curated list of gift ideas that can help you make a well-informed decision on what will delight your partner on this special occasion. And there you have it, a straightforward method to utilize Gemini's deep research. Whether you're looking for a unique or traditional gift, Gemini's insights are sure to guide you to a choice that celebrates your love meaningfully. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and inspiring. Happy anniversary shopping!